Start by making groups of 6 or more rocks. Next, add some spray paint in different colors to each set. After that, mix some cement. Then, grease some pie plates. You can find these at the dollar store or a thrift store. Fill the greased pie pans with the cement and smooth it out. Then, add the colored rocks, creating a flower pattern. Repeat this process with all the different colors. When the cement has dried, remove it from the pie pan. Sand any rough edges with sandpaper. Now you have a fun, colorful walkway for your backyard, garden, or front entrance. Want to make this project? Here's what you'll need. Some rocks, spray paint in various colors, some cement, thrifted or dollar store pie pans, petroleum jelly, a bucket, a measuring pitcher and a stirrer, and sandpaper. I hope this inspires you to brighten up your yard this summer with this fun DIY. Thanks for watching Home Talk. See you in our next video.